Hi there, guys, and welcome to the Lazy Stack free course. My name is Victor. I'm going to be your instructor for this amazing free course that will teach you how to create an AI app, how to market it, and monetize it really fast. Nowadays, we are really struggling to know what AI app or AI tools we should use for our projects, how to create an AI app the right way. And we have so many AI tools coming out each week or each day. And we have so many YouTube tutorials. We have so many stuff that sometimes we feel a little lost in it. And this course is here to guide you how to do the right thing in an efficient way. Okay. So what I want to give you is a guideline to make money really fast with an AI app so you can be successful. I found out that it's really hard to have an idea, and we have all these new tools like Bolt, Lovable, Replit, but you need a little skill on coding to create complete platforms or complete apps. We still don't have a no-code tool where you just prompt an idea or tell it what you want and it will build it for you. 100% working without errors. We are still looking for that software or that AI that does that for us. Hopefully, during this course, we will get pretty close to that. Okay, guys? Let's talk a little bit about the Lazy Stack community and what you can find inside it. We want to teach you, or we want you to be able to create SaaS platforms, even if you don't know how to code AI apps, AI agents, and how to create AI no-code solutions. And all of this, you don't need to know any coding skills. If you know how to code, it's way better. But in reality, if you don't know how to code, don't worry, because this course will teach you how to build all these types of softwares without any coding skills. So what to expect inside the community? We're going to offer free courses. All courses and resources will be free for now. Useful AI tools. When I mean useful, is really useful AI tools that you can use. So also one of the goals of this group is to get feedback from you to help us build a marketplace, which is going to be launched very soon. It's called the Lazy Stock Marketplace, where you'll be able to either purchase complete AI businesses or AI tools, or sell your own AI apps that we're going to teach you how to build. Okay. So make sure you be kind and respectful to each other. Okay, guys, you know all of this. Please don't spam or self-promote your services. Ask questions and make sure you engage with others. Our commitment, we're going to provide high quality content for you. All of this in this group will be free, and this is going to be a safe place. We maintain a positive, supportive environment. And we will love to hear from you, and we need your help and your feedback to create a more encouraging space and learning experience. That's all for this lecture. I hope you stick with us. If you have any questions, just post it on the feed. Make sure you also present yourself on the feed. Tell us a little bit about you. We want to know what you're up to, and see you in the next lecture. Bye-bye.